You were gaining half a pound a week. Then suddenly the scale flatlined for 2 weeks. You did not change anything. But your body adapted. Day 27 reveals exactly why and what to do about it. Week 12 of your bulk. The scale kept climbing. Then clockwork, week 13 the line goes flat. You add more food, but nothing changes. Or you cut a little and it starts dropping. What happened? Your metabolism is not broken. It is adaptive. Funny moment, you feel personally betrayed by a metabolism that is literally doing its job, which is to keep you alive, not to hit your dream weight. A landmark 2024 replication of the Biggest Loser study published in Obesity confirmed that sustained weight loss creates a persistent metabolic adaptation of roughly 400 to 800 calories below predicted TDEE. Adaptation is real and measurable. A 2025 ACSM review found that the body compensates for surplus intake by increasing non-exercise activity thermogenesis and reducing resting energy expenditure, blunting further weight gain. Reassessing TDE every 6 to 8 weeks is recommended by ISSN 2025. As body composition shifts, your calorie budget changes, and stale targets stall progress. 400 to 800 calories. That is how much lower your actual TDE can drop after sustained weight changes. Old targets stall new progress the moment your body catches up. Here is your 3-step Day 27 action plan. Step 1. Reweigh yourself every morning for 7 days and average the number. If the average has been flat for 2 weeks, your target is stale. Step 2. Add 200 calories to your current daily target and increase your step count by 3,500 steps. You break the plateau from both sides, more fuel, slightly more burn. Step 3. Retest your TDE by tracking intake and weight trend for 1 full week. Adjust your surplus up or down based on the new average. Myth. My metabolism is broken because the scale stopped moving at the same calorie intake. Truth. Metabolic adaptation is a normal, reversible physiological response. Your body burns fewer calories as you gain and move less unconsciously. A retest of TDE and a modest calorie increase usually resolves the plateau. Let's recap Day 27. Metabolic adaptation can lower your TDE by 400 to 800 calories. Reassess TDE every 6 to 8 weeks and add 200 calories when plateaued. Add 3,500 daily steps alongside the extra calories for a double reset. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, Day 28, we cover fixing skinny fat, recomp versus bulk.